Introducing the 2022 Renault Clio Dynamique TCE 90 MY21.5 door 5D in sleek black. This hatchback is packed with features including air conditioning, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more. With ABS, multiple airbags, and an anti-collision system, safety is a top priority. Plus, the luxury trim and chrome package add a touch of style. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing car. Call us now or visit randallsbros.com for more details.